Today we're at 1957 Eagle Lane in Holley by the Sea in Navarre, Florida. Coming in the foyer to your left, you do have a nice office area. Has some nice lighting and French doors. Good space to work and set up an office. Then off the right of the foyer, you have your formal dining area, which does connect to the kitchen. Nice lighting for over your table. And also a window. So turning back and continuing forward, you'll be in the main living area. See French door access to the patio, fireplace, recessed area there. If we turn left out of the living room and go to a short hallway, we'll show you some of the bedrooms. Here's the first of 4 bedrooms on the front of the house, double window, nice fan, then you have your closet in the corner. Coming out of this bedroom and back down the hallway, we'll show you one of the bathrooms. There's one of your hall bathrooms. Tub shower combo, commode and a sink. There's your sink. Continuing down the hallway, on the left you have a closet. Here's our second bedroom. Overhead fan, keeping that air circulating. Then your closet. We come out of this bedroom, go back down the hallway and take a left. We'll be back into the living area. So here's another shot of that living room. So if we go to the back of the living room, there's a second hallway. We'll show you the third bedroom. Right here on the right, you have door access to the patio. Then you have another full bathroom with tub shower combo, your commode, your vanity. And then if we come out of this bathroom, just off this bathroom, we'll go and show you the third bedroom. Nice fan, then your closet in the corner. If we come out of this bedroom, we'll head back to the living area and show you the master suite and the kitchen. So you can see we're back into the living room. We continue forward. On the left, you'll see your breakfast area, breakfast nook. We turn to the right, you see your kitchen. A lot of cabinet space, a lot of counter space in this kitchen. Have an area there where you could have some bar stools. So there's your kitchen. And then if we turn, go off the kitchen, you have your master bedroom. This does have French door access to the patio, 2 windows, so a lot of lighting. Step over here and show you it's a good sized room. We'll go into the master bathroom. You do have an oversized vanity with a double sinks, lighting, garden tub. To the left is your walk-in closet. And there's your double vanity, your overhead lighting. To your right is your private toilet area. You have linen closet storage here on the right. Then over here you have your garden tub. And then also a stand-up shower. Turning back, we'll go back out of the master bathroom. We'll be back into the master bedroom. And we'll head back toward the main living area. Just off the master bedroom here, you do have your laundry room. Shelving there, nice wash tub. Washer dryer hookups, and then your entrance into the garage. There's another shot of the kitchen and your entryway into the dining room. Again, this is 1957 Eagle Lane in Navarre, Florida, in Holley by the Sea. It's offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588, or you can visit our website at barronspm.com.